Hi there, I'm Marlie Schmidt. I'm a physician assistant, a weight loss expert, and a professional chaos juggler. I've lost 60 pounds over the past year between running a business, raising three kids on my own, and helping hundreds of people hit their health goals. I know how hard it is to keep track of everything, and especially getting those meals on the table. That's why I created Vital. Vital is a AI meal planning expert designed by me to make sure you're hitting your protein, fiber, hydration, and calorie needs while still losing weight while on a GLP-1. Let me show you how it works. If you are new to using ChatGPT or AI, this is going to blow your mind. I'm going to quickly introduce you to Vital, which is your nutritional assistant, AI meal planner while on a GLP-1. So to get started, you're going to just say, I am looking for lunches for this week that do not need to be reheated. And then Vital's going to ask you a few questions. Here are the things that you are going to need. And so I'm going to say, I am a 60-year-old female. I weigh 190. I am 5 feet 4 inches. And I have an activity level of, let's see, 2, and I do not like mushrooms. And you can save this, like cut and paste and save it in a note somewhere or something so that you can reuse this next time. Um, let's see what Vital comes up with. 5 no reheat lunch ideas that are easy to prep and pack. All right. So I've got 5 lunches and prep-friendly grocery list and movement tips. This is amazing. Yes, please give me a grocery list for these meals. Right. Yes. Can you give me some prep tips for these? So you can see that this gives some wonderful tips. And you can also ask for changes. Can you suggest some alternatives that alternatives, ALTERNATIVES that use similar ingredients so I can add some variety without with the same shopping trip. You can hear the chaos at my house. And these look great. Now for some kid-friendly dinners. How many people are you cooking for? Any picky eaters?
Mom,
Yes, buddy boy.
about dinner, I want pizza. But I do need to tell you this if right now if you're gonna make it because you need to let like the dough soften. So can we eat pizza?
Listen, if we have pizza tonight, we haven't thawed the dough in time. We have to do, we can order pizza tonight, okay?
Okay. I thought this would be like enough time. Like
It's not.
it's a while.
Yeah. Okay, so kid-friendly dinners. So we have three small kiddos in this family, and my kids rely heavily on chicken, but do like pork and beef as well. I do prefer things I can use a slow cooker for, or are quick to prepare. This sounds great. Can you make a printable shopping list for this and the lunches? 5 lunches and 5 dinners. And now we've got our shopping list. You can always tweak anything, eliminate anything, build on anything. This is just the start of what you can do. You can ask for a single day's meal plan. You can ask for dietary restrictions like gluten free or vegan or um, single portions. The limit is endless on what you can do. Um, thank you. This looks great for now. And let's see what. You're so welcome. I'm thrilled this is helpful. And we can also go to the patient portal right from here. Dun, 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 dun. And guess what? That's not all that Vital can do. You can say, hey, Vital, I'm at McDonald's. I have no bandwidth to cook. I need fast food tonight. What's a good option for me? And Vital can help you there too. Vital can be your go to expert when eating on the run, having specific dietary needs, needing to modify and adjust things. You just tell Vital what you need, and Vital can help you hit your goals, stick to your plan while maintaining your sanity. And what's better than